Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a Mangomint tutorial for Salon and Spa. So this video will have everything you need to get started on Mangomint, especially if you're a beginner. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. And as you can see here, as soon as you've been able to sign up for Mangomint, which you can do at mangomint.com. So right here, just make sure to log in or sign up for an account. And once you've done that, you'll be greeted with this landing page. And as you can see from the get-go, it's actually a very user-friendly landing page wherein you'll have the option to try these new things in Mangomint, which is to book an appointment. You can see how quick and easy it is to book an appointment. Just go to your calendar, click on a free spot, and create your first appointment. There's also an info video about it in case you need to learn more about it. You can also try out express booking, which they have another video for. So after you enter the basic details, text the link to clients where they can review and complete the booking. You can also use the virtual waiting room so you can streamline the check-in process by using automated workflows and notifications that make it less busy at the front desk. So again, there's a video for it. You can also check all of these in the calendar. And you can also send a payment link. You can provide your clients with an easy way to pay directly from their phone. You can check out an appointment and use the self-checkout payment button. And then finally, you can also buy a digital gift card. So you can sell custom branded gift cards directly on your website and connect them to client profiles and keep track of usage and balances. So now we're gonna scroll down and start with our setup guide. So the first step is, of course, the basic account setup. So here, you're gonna have to enter your business website, of course, then fill in your location, address, and tax rate. So if we try to head to our settings here, it should be right here. Now we can click on the three dots on the right side and then edit. Put in the details like your address, contact details, and then taxes. Now we're gonna head back. And once you've been able to fill in the details for your location and address and tax rate, for your location, address, and tax rate, you can just click this off so that you can cross this out of your setup. And then you can choose the features that you need. So again, we're going to head to settings to check this out. There's some enabled apps and integrations here. So for flows, you can send personalized marketing messages. There's gift cards. There's packages, sell and track usage of bundled services. There's memberships. You can offer recurring auto-billed subscriptions. And then intelligent waitlists. You can manage waitlist entries and receive alerts. There's also integrated forms. You can create custom forms for client information. Some also service customizations. You can offer customizations and add-ons. Email campaigns where you can send personalized email campaigns. These are also the available apps. You have the resources where you can manage rooms and equipment. There's a time clock for tracking staff hours and task types. A cash drawer for maintaining a cash drawer with daily counts. Purchase orders where you can create POs and track inventory. There's an integration for MailChimp where you can keep your client list synced with this integration. There's Waiver Forever. You can send waivers before an appointment. And there's also Shopify, where you can sync your inventory with your online store. Webhooks, where custom integration is utilized to handle your needs. And then GiftUp, where you can sync gift card sales with Mangomint. So now we're just going to head back. And once you're done with the features that you need, you can again cross this out of your list. Now we're going to move on to the next, which is staff and services setup. So here you can add your staff members. Now we're going to head to our settings again. And as a demo account, you can see that they have a pre-listed set of staff members right here. And you can add a staff member by clicking on this button and then fill in their details. You can also give them permissions if they're just a normal staff member, or if they have admin access. And if also they're a service provider, you can toggle this on and off. And then once you're done, just click on create so that you can add that new staff member. Now we're going to head back and move on to the next part, which is right here. You can add work hours for your staff members. So adding work hours for your staff members. So basically to manage their working hours. So again, it's the same. It took us to the same place for adding staff members. You can do that there. You can add your services. So here you can add a category. As you can see, we have here the lashes and then some subcategories under lashes. And then there's brows, massages, facials, haircuts, styling, color, tattoo services, piercings, hair extensions, makeup, event, hair and makeup, etc. So you can freely edit these depending on what services you provide. These are all just templates that came from the demo account. So feel free to do that by adding a category right here, and then you can create it and then add some subcategories under it. Then next, you can assign services to staff members. So depending on your staff member, maybe they have a certain, what do you call this? Maybe a certain specialty. Then you can add them accordingly, depending on their specialty. Now, next is data transfer. So if you need to book a call with your onboarding specialist to discuss data import, of course, that's necessary. Then decide on a launch date. This is optional, but it's also a good thing to do. You can read more info about it here on their guide for admin users. And then you can also temporarily turn off booking notifications, which is also optional. More info right here. And then you can just cross them out of your list once you're done with that. And then, of course, more importantly, there's also the payment setup, so you can decide how to take payments. There's more info about payment types here. So there's, as you can see, there's a front desk, self-checkout, credit card, cash, check, gift card, Venmo, and others. So again, this is dependent on what type of payments you're accepting for your business. And then you can also sign up for a primary Mango Pay account. So what do they have to offer for Mangomint Pay account? Basically, it provides everything you need to accept in-person and virtual payments with straightforward rates, no hidden fees or monthly charges. So you can sign up for it right here if you wish to. And then finally, you can also set up your front desk display. So right here, there's a video of it explaining what you need for that front desk display. And this is also what you'll be needing. You need an Apple iPad with an iOS of 11 or later, an iPad stand maybe, Bluetooth card reader, and a device to trigger payments on the front desk display. Now it says before you begin, make sure your card reader is plugged in and charging, and make sure your iPad has Bluetooth enabled and is connected to Wi-Fi, or mobile data can also be used instead of Wi-Fi. Now, after payment setup and cross that out of your list, you're almost ready for launch. So just review your cancellation policy. You can view them right here under settings and specify what's needed to be specified on your cancellation policy. Just click on edit here. There's also self cancellations and late cancellations. Now, moving on to the next, you can add online booking to your website, and if applicable, you can also turn off appointment reminders in your old system or turn previously disabled booking notifications back on. So basically everything you need to get started with Mangomint app. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.